WPX Hosting is one of the fastest WordPress hosting in the world. And in this WPX Hosting review we'll be going to show you everything about WPX Hosting, including the ease of use, installing WordPress, free SSL, and creating an email account. Also, I'll do the speed test of my site after optimizing it, so you can easily decide whether WPX Hosting is the right choice for you or not. Also, if you're ready to make WPX Hosting purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from below and get yourself a discount if one's available. After visiting WPX, simply click on this View Plans button. And here you can see the 3 plans: Business, Professional, and Elite. You can create 5 websites on their Business plan, 15 on their Professional, and 25 on their Elite plan. Also, you're getting these top features, like free malware removal, fastest customer support, free site optimization, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can see you're getting 2 months free on their plan if you select the yearly option. When you select the monthly plan, then you can see the price is $24.99 per month. But when we select the yearly plan, then you can see the price is discounted to $20.83. That's why I recommend you to choose their yearly plan for the best discount. Also, you can choose this for risk-free as they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So simply select the best plan for you and click on the Buy Now button. And here create the domain name for your site. If you already have a domain name, then you can type it here, or if you didn't have one, then you can choose this second option and create a new domain name for your site. After adding a domain name, click on Continue. Here, choose the data location. You can choose from the USA, UK, and Australia. Choose the data center and click on it. Now simply fill out all your details here, type your email and create your password. And simply choose the payment method here. You can choose from PayPal or card. Then simply check this box and click on Checkout to complete the purchase. After completing the payment, you will get all the details in your email. And here you can see I logged into my WPX Hosting account. You will see this type of interface after login. To access your services, then simply click on My Services here. And here you can see, if you've purchased a domain name, then the number will be shown here. I purchased the hosting, so simply click on WordPress Hosting here. Now simply click on Manage Services here. And this is the dashboard of WPX Hosting. Here you can create your WordPress site, can create an email account, install SSL and access your file manager as well. Now, here on Managed Websites tab, here you can see the number of the website we can host. You can add a new website by clicking on this Add New Website button. Also, if you want to migrate your previous website to WPX, then you can send a migration request by clicking on this button. Now, to install the WordPress, then simply click on this Install WP button. And here, click on Install WordPress on the website. Now, here simply type your email, create a username and password. Then, finally click on the Deploy WordPress button. Then the installation of WordPress will start. And after it's finished, then you can see the WordPress has been installed. Also, after adding your site, the SSL will automatically be installed in under 10 seconds. If not, then you can click on this SSL button and then click on the Install Free SSL Certificate button to install it. So you can see installing WordPress and SSL is simple. To create an email account, then simply go to this Email Boxes tab here. And here you can see I already created an email account here. You can click on this Add an Email Box button. Then create the name, fill out the info and click on Create button. So creating an email account is also very simple. To open File Manager, you can visit this tab and can open it from here. Also, you can create and download the backup of your site from here as well. Now talking about the support, they are one of the fastest. Their live chat response time is only 5 seconds, which is cool. When I asked about fixing my WordPress site issue, then, they replied in 5 seconds and fixed the issue in under 2 minutes. So you can see, their ease of use is really easy. And also their support is one of the best in the world. Now next, I'll optimize my WordPress site completely and then we'll do the speed test of my site. As you can see, I created my WordPress site 10 days ago. I fully optimized my WordPress site now. I installed this GeneratePress theme on my site. GeneratePress is one of the best lightweight themes you can choose for your site. It is also cheap and has a free version as well. Also, I installed some of the free and premium plugins on my site like ConvertIt, premium version of GeneratePress, Elementor Pro, Lightspeed Cache which is for speed optimization, Rank Math SEO which is one of the best plugins to write great SEO content, ShortPixel is for image optimization, and also the premium version of Thrive Architect. It is the tool that I used to design my site. It is cheap and one of the best tools you can use to easily design your website. All the links are in the description, you can check them out from there. And here you can see my WordPress site now looks like this. As you can see, I created and completely designed my WordPress site. So for the speed test, I used GT Metrix. And I am testing it in the USA. So after clicking on the Analyze button, and here you can see the page load speed is only 1.1 seconds. Yes, the total page load speed is only 1.1 seconds with a great performance as well. And this is one of the fastest web hostings I have tested ever. Now, I am going back and testing the speed on Canada. And when I ran the test, and you can see it is still 1.1 seconds, with the full page load speed of 1.6 seconds. And they easily pass the Google recommended page load speed of 3 seconds by a mile. So you can see that WPX hosting is one of the fastest WordPress hosting in the world, and the fastest I have ever tested. They have the fastest page load speed. Installing the WordPress site, SSL, creating a free email account and backups is also very easy. Their price is high, but you will get what you're paying for. So this is my recommendation for you. If you're the one looking for the fastest and easy to use WordPress hosting in the world, then WPX hosting is simply the best web hosting choice for you. Also, if you're ready to make WPX hosting purchase, then consider purchasing it from the description link and get yourself a discount if one's available. I hope you'll like this video. You can subscribe to this channel for more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.